Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 16 and today I will show you how you can enable your Do Not Disturb mode. To get started, swipe down from the top right side of the screen, so right over here. This will bring down your control center, and under Focus you'll have your Do Not Disturb mode. So you want to hold this the first time around, and this gives you the couple additional options that we have access to. So we have the Do Not Disturb mode, Personal, Work, and Sleep. Now we're looking for the Do Not Disturb mode, so you can just tap on it to enable it. You could also click on the three dots and then, for instance, navigate into the settings to customize the mode, though there isn't too much to customize there, to be completely honest. And also when you click on the three dots, it gives you the option to enable this mode for a specific amount of time, until tomorrow morning or until I leave this location, which are pretty nifty options. I have to give Apple props for that. The only one that, for instance, you have on Android is the timer one, but the two other ones, so until tomorrow, that's a pretty cool option. It's a quick toggle. And even better one is the until I leave this location, which is just even better. And hopefully you can probably, I would assume, set it up so when you enter a location it can enable itself, which if you can, that would be freaking fantastic. Now I'm just gonna use this manually, so I'm gonna simply click on the toggle, and as you can see, it is now enabled and it tells me that it's on. Additionally, once you do this, the focus mode will now always be enabling the Do Not Disturb mode, or more precisely, it will enable the last enabled mode, which in this case would be Do Not Disturb mode. So just to showcase this, if I click right here, as you can see, now it stays with the Do Not Disturb mode icon instead of previously having the three different icons. And I can just quickly toggle it on and off from here. So there we go. Now with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.